Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? My name is FenCodes. I'm a game developer and a software engineer. I'm going to be showing you today one of the most common issues in Unity that you may be receiving. So you're probably following some other guy's tutorial or one of my future tutorials, and you see that they have standard assets, and you don't have those standard assets, and you're wondering, how do I get them? The guy just goes over here, import package, and then he just has it right here. Um, that's not the case. He got it a long time ago, and there was an old installer, and that's why he has it there. To get your standard assets, you're gonna have to go up here where it says Asset Store. Press this. It's gonna say connecting to Asset Store, and in a couple of seconds, it should load it. When you're here, you just want to come here and search standard assets. Basically, it's going to be this one. It's going to be called standard assets for Unity 2018.4, but this works on any version. You press this. Now there's going to be, if you don't have it yet, there's going to be a download button. You want to download it. It's just going to save it to your system. I'll have this link down below if you guys just don't want to search. But yeah, link is going to be in the description, first link. And yeah, when you download it, you're going to see that there's an import button. Now you're going to want to press this import button if you want to use the library, that is, or the asset package. It's going to say decompressing, collecting content, and now it's going to open up this little screen for you. Now, these are all of the items that you get with this standard assets package. So you're gonna wanna just choose what you want, or just choose the entire thing if you need that. But yeah, you choose whatever you want. If you don't want the PDF, just don't select it. When you picked everything that you want, I'm just gonna select all. You can say none or all. You could just say none and then choose what you want, but I'm gonna say all, and I'm gonna press import. Now it's gonna write all of these package files, which is just basically scripts and prefabs, into here, and you're gonna see a folder called standard assets show up. As you can see, it's loading all of these PNGs and scripts and prefabs into my project. The characters, the third person, first person, airplanes, stuff like that. Rollerball. Alright, yeah, so this takes quite some time if you're doing it for the first time. I'm not doing it for the first time, but this is how long it's been taking. I'd say it's been about 40 seconds, and as you can see, it's done. And now, when you go back to your scene, you'll see nothing has changed, but if you go down to your assets, you'll see sample scene. You don't really need to focus on this one. And standard something, but you double tap this, and you have standard assets. Here are all of your assets. Now, if you go down here, you can see there's a problem, because this is made for older versions of Unity, but fear not. Here's the fix. You just press this. It'll show you console, assets, standard assets, utility, simple activator menu. So let's go back here. Standard assets, utility, simple activator menu. It should be on the bottom row here. And as you can see, this is what it's arguing about, GUI text. As you can see, GUI text is obsolete. They don't use it anymore, so you have to import, or no, you just have to change this one, like, word. So you go here, you say Unity Engine.ui.text. Now you save this, and a lot of stuff's going to happen right now. You go back into Unity. It's going to compile for quite some time. Now it's ready, and now it's going to import. It has to re-import some of the stuff because you changed it. As you can see, it's iteration 2 and then iteration 3. And yeah, now it's fixed. Now you can use any asset here. So for example, you could create a terrain, 3D object, terrain, right? And then Now with this new standard asset, if this is what you were looking for, you can say that first person character. First, let's disable the camera. Let's go prefabs, first person control. And there you go. Now we can just launch the game. And now we can walk around using the asset that we just imported. You can fall down. And yeah, stay tuned for new tutorials, guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this solved your error. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.